Welcome to Mindful for Happy Life. Mindful eating practice. We all have to eat. Yet how many of us actually remain present while we eat or drink and truly taste our food and be aware of our eating, and thus by transforming our meals into a very nourishing experience? Mindful eating is very important as it reduces the chance of overeating, helps you to lose weight, increases your metabolism and digestion, and much more. To practice mindful eating, try to find a quiet place where you can eat and really be present with your food. Let your body rest and be relaxed. Let your heart be soft. Let go of any plans and preoccupations and keep smiling. First, look keenly at your food and explore it with all of your senses. Observe the food carefully, as if you had never seen it before. Feel its color, texture, shape. Before eating the food, we should be thankful to the food and all the elements that have created our meal. The sun, the rain, the soil, the farmers, the cooks, and other people who have participated in bringing your meal to the table. Now smell your food for a while. And slowly take the food to your mouth, noticing how the arm knows exactly where to go, and perhaps becoming aware of your mouth watering. Gently place the food in your mouth, on your tongue, without biting it. Simply explore the sensations of the food in your mouth. When your mind wanders, bring your attention back to the food. When you're ready, intentionally bite down on the object, maybe noticing how it automatically goes to one side of the mouth versus the other. Also notice the taste it is releasing. Slowly chew the food at least 40 times. Be aware of the saliva in your mouth and how the object changes its consistency as you chew it. When you feel ready to swallow, consciously notice the intention to swallow. Then see if you can notice the sensations of swallowing the food. Sensing it moving down to your throat and into your esophagus on its way to your stomach. Feel the sensations in the stomach. Now take as much time as you need to eat the remaining food with the same degree of mindfulness. By bringing mindfulness to the food you eat, you can begin to choose foods that are more enjoyable and support your well-being. And know that you are taking care of yourself. Practice mindful eating every day for cultivating happiness. May I be healthy and happy. May all beings be healthy and happy. Be happy always.